Transferring the Hsbc app to a new phone in the UK is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. On your old phone, first of all, open the Hsbc UK mobile application and log in to your account. Then tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Now select Settings and then Account Settings. After that, tap on the Generate Security Code button. And now select the QR code option. And on your new phone, you can download and install the Hsbc UK mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now open the Hsbc UK mobile app and enter your username. Then select the QR code option as the verification method. And after that, scan the QR code generated on your old phone using the camera on your new phone. Now, enter the security code displayed on your old phone into the new phone's app. Then, tap on the Continue button.